Hello and welcome everyone. Most of the videos that you find about Synplant2 showcase how you can use it to create fancy bleeps and bloops in a sound design session. And while I would say that it certainly excels at applications like this, you can also actually produce quite natural representations of the samples that you import via the Xenopatch feature, as can be seen and heard in this beat. I mean, just check out how this contrabass and this kick drum sound. I think that's pretty sweet and kinda relaxed. So now, let's load an instance of Synplant. And now you gotta search for a sample in your samples folder. And I gotta say, this doesn't work with all of the samples that you throw at it, but sometimes you are just lucky. So maybe let's try it with this mallet sample. So each of these lines is an alternative generation of patches, and the stuff that you find down here is usually the stuff that is most creative in the sense because it is not trying to replicate this sample a lot yet. But the higher you go, the more you find the more natural sounds that are actually close to the input sample. Kind of like this one, because it also has a little bit of noisy stuff in it, just like the input sample. When I now drag the MIDI from the contrabass melody to it and layer it, it sounds like this. Yeah, and now I got a mallet sample in my beat. And it's supporting the transient of my bass line.